What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is Sunday, game day, and I'm having some mango for pre-game food. I don't want to eat anything that is heavy. I might have one more coffee later on, just before the game. So yeah, let's go. So I have a habit of putting sour plum powder, the sweet sour plum powder, on my fruits. But this mango itself is already too sweet, so that was a mistake. But usually the sour plum powder makes everything better because it's sweet. Okay. Best foods ever. Let's go. Oh, it's here. Frozen. This school is nice. Nexus International School. They got a big swimming pool, a big football field. Damn.
Ini thằng này khoa. Mì nè, phơi mì.
Cái nào rồi? Hey, từ Việt Nam mà vẫn đi lại được. Hey, thì mà nó training lâu này để áp phơi ba. What the hell? Why is it on? The ball went outside, man. What the hell? Here, Kieran Tini Lota. Or Rodri. Trippier. Zora, wait, Zora. Warm up session. All your shoes. 来不垃圾的。没有滑了吗？来一遍。滑了呀，滑了呀。 Southgate lah, Southgate. Gareth Southgate. Oh, man, you are wild. Let's go, let's go. 20k, yeah, 20k, let's go. Alright, anyway, just a quick update. I think the organizer is Stranger Soccer, but the opponent is not here, and we overpaid for this pitch. It's 300 plus, usually it's around $170, but yeah, overpaid and no opponent, so we might be just training. I'll be running 20k. I'm kidding.
Come on! Yay! Cút miệng đi lại, cút miệng đi lại. Quay một cái sao? Mau đi lại vậy, bây giờ mà sao thì đi lại vậy.
Vậy á, chị vậy á. Rồi chắc pin.
Currently we are in Juchet area for dinner. Beautiful Indian temple right in front of me, so I'm gonna show it to you guys. Oh, update on the game. We won 3-2. I scored one and got injured at the same time. I mean, the injury only came after the final whistle. I think I overworked my Achilles. Yeah, it's very tight now and giving me discomfort every time I walk. But good game. Yeah, this one also okay. Let's go. Okay, might be this one. Okay, let's go. Oh, you want baby kailan? Kailan? Okay. Everywhere we go, samba kangkong. Oh. They have day. So we were saying the people here don't want to work. They're just so dead. But maybe because it's a Sunday, and you know, everybody wants to have a break on a Sunday, including me. Everybody. They give a lot. the condition of this leather. It's too big.
I thought you said stupid.
Too big. Your looks good. Always. You can tell by the color of this tea that it's not gonna be good. Okay, taste test. Let's go. Oh my god. Yep. Tastes like milk. You try. Later. No. Not spicy at all. No sambal as well.
Wheat corn, but it's cereal corn.
So the special bak kut teh have like, you know, the innards. That's all. You okay? Like from here. At the top.
If the world was ending. Oh, it's recording.
Yeah, I purposely put it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, judging me here. Service here sucks ass, by the way. I'm kidding.
Just not the old uncle. Why is that taste so fucking creepy?
Because we're morning.
Can you like feel him like why is it like shut up? I got no voice.
How to stop? Food! Hey guys, so today we are at Juqiet, my home, our home, our heart, our Singapore.
It says Katong there.
Okay, this is Juqiet Road, okay? Just go with the flow. Alright. You go and check lah, Google. There's something called...
Go.
You say you want to go pharmacy, right?
Why are you guys fighting on my vlogs?
Supermarket. Oh, which one you want to go?
Pharmacy, how far?
It's just there. I want to go.
Okay.
So anyway, works starts tomorrow. I hate work.
Corporate slave.
You unemployed fuck.
I'm not unemployed.
Okay, bye.
That, my friend, is a proper way to sell banana. Nice. Best chili ever created by mankind, right? Yes. Feels like this is a scam, man. Every flavor, I've tried 5 flavors. Strawberry watermelon, ice pop, the blue one, the lemonade, the one that they sponsor Arsenal. Every one of them tastes the same, like exactly the same, and yeah. Say hi. Hi. Okay, bye-bye. Anyway, that is it, guys. I'm thinking like, you know, I shouldn't do this Sunday vlog anymore because it's exciting for me, but I think it's pretty boring for you guys because yeah, most of the time I just go to the match. I couldn't capture anything or talk. A lot of my friends are camera shy as well, so I can't really vlog as well with them. So yeah, pretty boring I feel. And by the time, you know, after the match, I'm pretty tired and yeah, boring. Anyway, that's it for this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Meow. Good. Clingy cat when she wants to sleep. You fat, you so fat. Go back to your owner. Go back. Go back to your owner. Okay? Bye bye. Bye. I want to sleep.